Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my videos. All right, it's Sunday. I'm done with maintenance on this truck. It's finally time that I change something about it. I ordered these tail lights a while ago from Amazon. I'm gonna have them linked down below. Now these tail lights still work just fine, but I want to personalize this truck a little bit more. I want to make it a little bit more mine. And like I said, today we're going to be putting on these Amazon tail lights. I'm very excited to put these on and see how the truck looks. It has a chrome housing right now with a clear lid. This right now is a clear lid with black housing. I did also have the option to get the smoked out lens, but I feel like with this option, if I ever decide to want to get the smoke lens, I could just tint it. So by having these right here, I got the option of doing both in the future. So, and like I said, I've been doing maintenance for a while now, so I'm looking forward to doing something other than maintenance. Now, before I change these out, I want to show you guys how they look. So let me turn them on real quick. Obviously gonna do this in the dark. This is how the truck looks when it's set to be in park. It's not a bad look at all, just not me. But let me turn on the hazards real quick and show y'all how it looks. Alright, that's how it looks with the blinkers on. Check that out. I honestly thought that the yellow light bulb was gonna start blinking, but guess not. Now let me show you guys how it looks when I step on the brakes. When I step on the brakes, the blinkers do stop blinking. But that right there is how it looks with the brakes on. Now let me just go ahead and show you guys reverse. This is how reverse looks. It actually looks pretty nice with all the little lights turned on and whatnot. Yeah, that's how the lights look currently on the truck. I honestly thought that this little light bulb was the blinker, but the brake light is also the blinker, so that light just stays on. This right here was the reverse light. So looking at our new tail light, I'm guessing that this is reverse, brake, and then this is where that little yellow light bulb's gonna go. I would prefer that it go somewhere here, but I guess it's necessary to go there. So guess once it's on the truck, we'll see how it looks. So let's go ahead and take these old ones out. All right, so it turns out that we are actually gonna take a little longer than I expected to replace the tail light, and that is because I can't seem to find the key that unlocked the tailgate. I'm gonna have to figure out another way to try and open the tailgate. I am able to open up the cover. That's not the issue. The issue is that this gate needs to come down because all the bolts are right back here. Again, I tried all the keys that came with the truck. None of them seem to work. It might be seized up, but I'm not getting a single movement with any of these keys. So I'm gonna try and see if maybe I can go behind the gate and somehow unlock it. All right, behind the tailgate we have 3 screws. Not gonna lie, this is nice carpet. It's like Velcro attached to it, but like I said, 3 screws. I'm gonna remove those 3. Hopefully it'll get me a step closer to remove this thing. Got the tool we need. Let's see what happens. All right, as you guys can see, we went ahead and removed that cover. So now we should be able to open our gate. I went ahead and sprayed some WD-40 on the side so that it can open and close a little smoother. And it does. Back then, you wouldn't be able to actually close the door without having the handle open. Now, it just closes. Very happy that we did that. I plan on having a picnic date with my girlfriend. At first I thought the latches were broken because they didn't want to close. Now in order to get the cover off, I did have to break apart the lock. This is the old lock right here. I went ahead and already got a new one from Menards. This is it right here. Check that bad boy out. Check this out. If you put it on there, it closes and locks. So that's not going anywhere. So not only did we find a new key and lock for this, but we can also open up our tailgate. But more importantly, we can go ahead and get to these bolts back here. We got one screw right there and a second screw right there. Let me show you guys a closer look at the lock as well. Like I said, this is the one I broke. And then this is the new lock right here. Crispy, my boy. Now let's go ahead and get those two screws out. Shouldn't be that complicated, especially because they have a little opening here for that screw over there. They do have clips, so I do want to be gentle with it just in case I need them in the future. But after this, we should be able to put our new tail lights. A ver cómo se ve. Tail light side by side. What I'm gonna do first though, I'm gonna try and clean up as much as possible. I know some of that is rust, but since we're already here, might as well give it a nice clean. We'll check these out. Alright, y'all ready for this? Check that out. Actually, it looks so crispy. Imagine if like the LED was out here. But man, that shit looks good. Check that out. I'm gonna turn these on and make sure they still work. Alright, I went ahead and put everything away so that we can close the gate and the top. And this is how she's going to look. I'm honestly so obsessed with this new look. I like how it's blacked out. I recently tinted the windows and I feel like it matches it so well. I'm not gonna lie. I did get used to this look for quite a while. But it was just time for a change. And oh boy, am I happy with this new change. Check that out. Right now what I'm gonna do is remove that tail light right there. I want to put them in the box and put them away, but I'm just enjoying this last moment with the tail light because we're never gonna see it again. But again, that looks so sexy. Really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm very pleased with these new taillights. Can't wait to have a photo shoot with the boys and show these out at night. I am going to have them linked down below for you guys, so make sure you check out the links down below. Now make sure to keep an eye on my Instagram because I will be posting when these sweaters are available. I'm still working on the website. I should be able to provide these to you guys, but they're gonna come in small, medium, large, and extra large. With that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below so I know you're watching. Leave whatever. But until then, this is Javi from Javi's Productions. Peace out, my friends.